Chapter 14 covers teams and teamwork. And the big takeaway from this chapter is what are the specific foundations or building blocks of a successful team. In the textbook on page 265, it talks about some of these building blocks. So the rest of the chapter really gives you a lot of ideas about how to have a productive team and teamwork. And some of them being the right members, the right setting. So if you look through the chapter, you can see member composition is really important, and that would be a foundation of a successful team. Nature of task, making sure people understand what they are supposed to accomplish. Organizational setting would be another building block. Team size. And so this entire section of the chapter really talks about having the right members, diversity, people understanding the inputs. I mentioned team size, the process. These stages of development is another building block. People understanding that part of the development of a team. Setting up those norms and expected behaviors. So that's what I really want you to focus on in chapter 14, are these building blocks of successful teamwork. And again, that starts on page 265.